Hello, this is Jules from VR Tracker. Just to show you a quick feature in the plugin, something that we've added a few months ago that we progressively added in the plugin. So basically it is under the VR Tracker object. You have all your trackers, and let's take an example. Under tracker you have also the tracker endpoint. We talked about that in another video, but so my attention is to focus on the VRT tag endpoint script. You can see that there is the position filter. There are those data are just for debug, you shouldn't see them. But the position filter is always here, and you can enable or disable it. So the goal of this video is simply to show you what it looks like when it is enabled and disabled. So now you will see the video is starting, and on the left you have the cube that has the position enabled, and on the right the position filter disabled. So you can see very simply that the movement is smoother, it is less jerky when the position filter is enabled. Also, when the tracker doesn't move, it is not shaking at all anymore when the tracker is static. But you can see that when it moves quickly, it can have some eye movements more than expected, so this is still under configuration. So I hope you like this video, and I wish you all a great day. Cheers!